told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Alright, welcome back to the cold edition of finishing Ashley's system in her truck after years of begging for it. As you can see, we're all wrapped up and freezing every bit of my body parts off.
Colder than a witch's titty in a brass bra.
Yes. But finally putting the finishing touches on it. Got the amp wire on. It's already grounded, as you've seen. And I'm gonna take the camera. And so what we ended up doing, so this is a 2020 F-150, and we ended up putting 2 MTX audio 10s in it and a DS18 amp. This is kind of stuff that I don't know much about. Kind of older than me. Showing my age. Never heard of that system before, but it's what she had, so it's what we put in. So we ran the main power wire down, and if you look right here, we put the fuse there so we could still pull it and check it if we needed to. It's up here. And then we proceeded to run down with the wiring harness. Kind of hard to see, but where it goes into the body, we ran down. We didn't go into the firewall. And we ended up coming under the truck, or the red wire, and there's this little grommet right here that we put an X in, spliced it up, put it through the tunnel. It's gonna be a lot of shaky cam at first, and it ends up coming out right under the passenger floorboard right there. And so we ran the power wire down with everything else. Get it all tightened up, and it comes out right there. We ran it up, put a little hole in the carpet, ran it up and over and into the amp. What most people tell you, and the few people that was gonna put the system in her truck before, I actually told her she needed to splice into the radio, which of course, if you know anything about that, that makes it a pain in the butt. So what we ended up doing, Kicker actually makes this little device, and other people make it too, but I got the Kicker because that's a company I trust, and I'll link that into the description. And it comes with the layout on the back of what you need to wire. And you can wire both door speakers to have a left and a right, but we just tapped into the right side and spliced them both into it. And then you run your RC cables off of that, and then come down and around. And it also gives you your output for your blue wire to turn your amp on. So it gives you all 3 of those without having to go into the radio and splice a bunch of stuff or needing a connector. And you just end up running that down and around the same way. So we got all that set up, and the only other thing that we didn't do, I haven't showed yet, we already did it, sorry, is we took the ground wire, which is coming off. We go under the box to try to hide it a little better, and we tapped into that bolt right there. I know it. Can I see your phone to have a light? One,
Take
two,
the gloves off.
3, 4. Oh, we got it within 5 seconds. But right down in there, we grounded it to that bolt. And honestly, we have not had problems out of anything besides like speaker quality. But I think they're so old And the cone in this one is not the best, because sometimes it'll work and sometimes it will not. We've played with different bridges and everything like that, but overall it works great, and we've not had a problem at anything. But that's all I can think of right now. And of course, you saw the little bit at the beginning of the video of it working, and so we know it works. But
And excuse my mess.
yeah,
I need to clean it.
it ain't that messy back here, but you want to end it off?
With what?
I don't know. I don't think I'm going to cut it. Just going to roll it, so you better start talking.
You have to cut it because I don't know what to say.
I ain't going to cut it. I'm just going to roll.
I don't think there's nothing else to say.
Well, you need to end the video. That's what I'm getting at.
How? Well, I'm happy to have my system back. It's been quite a few years since I've had it. I also learned something new because I thought that you could only go in through the radio. Didn't know going through the speakers was an option. But overall, I am satisfied with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.